Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best gear for outdoor enthusiasts like yourself. In today's video, we're diving into the world of portable power stations. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip, RV adventure, or simply need a reliable backup power source, these portable power stations are a game changer. We'll be discussing the top models available, comparing their key features, battery capacity, and overall performance. From power output to portability, we'll cover it all, so you can make an informed decision before investing in one of these versatile devices. Get ready to unlock the freedom of portable power and make your outdoor experiences even more unforgettable. Let's jump right in. Number 1. BLUETTI Portable Power Station. With 600 watts of power, this powerhouse is perfect for camping trips, tailgates, and power outages, and can handle all your devices and appliances. It's also solar-powered, so you can feel good about using it without harming the environment. Plus, this power station is lightweight at only 10 pounds, so you can take it wherever you go, and it has a built-in MPPT controller that allows up to 200 watts of solar input. With 9 outlets, this pick can provide backup power for your file servers, PC, and other sensitive devices in case of a power outage. Even better, the EB feature provides instant backup power, protecting your devices from data loss or damage. Equipped with a large capacity battery and strong output power, the BLUETTI portable power station can charge all your devices at once or even run small appliances. And with the easy-to-use app, you can monitor your power usage, control your discharge time, and optimize your charging from anywhere. Number 2. ECOFLOW Portable Power Station. The ECOFLOW Portable Power Station is perfect for those who need a reliable and powerful way to keep their devices charged. Its 2,400 watt output can charge up to 15 devices at once, making it ideal for large families or trekking groups. The X-Boost feature allows you to power 3,400 watt appliances, making it perfect for use during a power outage or blackout. Plus, the ECOFLOW solar panels make it easy to keep the power station charged with solar power, so you can be sure you're always prepared. With the ability to link 2 extra batteries, you can have a massive 6,048 watt-hours of power at your disposal. That's enough to keep your home running in any emergency. And with the ECOFLOW app, you can monitor, control and manage your power generation and consumption over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. Best of all, this pick requires no fuel and produces no pollution. Equipped with a car charging cable, power cable, and solar MC4 type cable, and boasting incredible versatility, this product is top rated on our list. Number 3. VTOMAN Portable Power Station. The VTOMAN Portable Power Station is an innovative solution for providing reliable energy on the go. Its 1,000 watts constant power output and 1,408 watt-hours expandable capacity make it ideal for powering a variety of devices for both daily needs and long-term use. This power station includes 10 protections to ensure safe charging, more heat resistance, and overall safety. It also has a long-lasting LiFePO4 battery with 3,000 cycles of lifespan before requiring replacement. This is perfect for those looking for a durable and reliable power source. The power station's powerful output makes it capable of powering up to 12 devices simultaneously with multiple USB ports including 4 USB-A ports and 2 Type-C ports capable of delivering 100 watts max charge. It also has 3 regulated 110V/1000 watts AC outlets, 2 regulated 12V/10A DC 5521 outputs, and 1 regulated 12V/10A carport output. It can charge even large appliances over 1,000 watts because of its 1,000 watts constant power capability, making it a great choice for charging space heaters, ovens, and other high-powered devices. Number 4. JACKERY Portable Power Station. This handy 300-watt unit is perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or power outages. Its 2 pure sine wave AC outlets can recharge themselves and charge up to 6 devices. This solar generator set is perfect for portable power demands since the inbuilt MPPT controller allows it to run at its maximum power point. And, because it's so lightweight, the JACKERY portable power station is easy to take wherever you go. With overcurrent and short current protection, this portable power station is a safe and reliable choice for your on-the-go power needs. The station also supports pass-through charging, so you can charge your devices even while the station is plugged in. Additionally, the bottom of the station is protected by bright orange, non-slip feet to prevent tipping and sliding. For added convenience, the included carry pouch is perfect for storing the AC charger and cables. Number 5. Westinghouse Portable Power Station. The Westinghouse portable power station is a must-have for anyone who needs to keep their devices charged and ready to go. With enough power to easily charge a 36-inch LED TV, this portable power station is perfect for camping trips, tailgating parties, or any time you need to be prepared with a backup power source. Most importantly, its 155 watt-hour lithium-ion battery capacity provides plenty of power to keep your devices charged all day long. This backpack-ready mini generator includes two 120-volt outlets and 4 USB ports, making it ideal for charging devices like phones, laptops, and small appliances. Plus, the built-in solar panel capability helps keep the power bank topped off, so you're never left without power. And, because it doesn't produce any obnoxious fumes, there's no messy maintenance or noise pollution. The convenient carrying handle makes it easy to take wherever you go and, with temperature protections in place to prolong battery life, you can rest assured that your sensitive electronics will be safe from harm.